Manifesting prosperity requires an aligned mindset and actions. However, many end up blocking this process without realizing it. Here are 4 common mistakes that may be preventing you from attracting abundance. Mistake number 1, focusing on scarcity instead of abundance. When you constantly think about what you don't have, you attract more scarcity. Shift your focus to what you already have and what you want to manifest. Mistake number 2, holding limiting beliefs about money. If you believe that money is hard to come by, or that you don't deserve to prosper, these subconscious beliefs sabotage your efforts. Mistake number 3, not having clear goals. Without specific goals, you are not giving the universe a clear direction. Set goals and visualize them clearly. And mistake number 4, being inconsistent in your manifestation practices. Lack of consistency weakens your energy and intention. Daily practice is essential to maintain focus and attract prosperity. By avoiding these mistakes, you can make room for prosperity to flow naturally into your life.